Hi friends, I want to show you my new hair dryer and volumizer. Is this. Comes with the instructions, but it's so easy to use. So we're gonna connect the hair dryer to the electrical energy, and as you can see, the hair dryer have 3 types of use, that is high, low, and cool. You can use it in your dry or wet head. The mine is dry, so I'm gonna put some water and we're gonna use, so you can see that it's so easy to dry and stylize your hair. This is the functions, and I'm gonna use the high function. The brush helps to reduce moisturizing hair for faster drying and less damage, and also reduce frizz and static. So that's make the hair soft and shiny. As you can see, my hair is dry and stylizing, and we're gonna use it here too with dry hair. And as you can see, it's so fast and so easy. Dry your hair with this is excellent for save time and for a good look. As you can see, my hair is stylizing and dry. I highly recommend this product. See you.